Have you ever stopped to wonder what secrets are hiding beneath your feet? Rocks are everywhere, and each one has a special story to tell. Today, let's embark on a cheerful adventure to explore the three main types of rocks and discover what makes each one unique. First, imagine the Earth long ago. Deep inside, things were heating up. Igneous rocks form when hot. Melted rock called magma cools down. If magma cools underground, it creates smooth rocks like granite. But if it explodes from volcanoes and cools in the open air, it makes bubbly rocks like pumice. How cool is that? Rocks born from fiery eruptions. Next, let's talk about sedimentary rocks. Picture sand, mud, or pebbles washing away by rivers, lakes, and oceans. Layer by layer, these bits pile up and press together over time, forming sedimentary rocks like sandstone or shale. Sometimes, you'll even find fossils inside these rocks, a secret message from ancient animals or plants. It's like a time capsule hidden in stone. Finally, meet the rock that likes to change, metamorphic rock. Imagine rocks buried deep underground, squeezed and heated, but never melted. This pressure and heat transforms them, creating new rocks like marble or slate. Marble shines and glows, thanks to all that underground energy. Metamorphic rocks are proof that change can lead to something beautiful. So, igneous rocks are born from fire. Sedimentary rocks are built from layers, and metamorphic rocks are transformed by heat and pressure. Next time you spot a rock outside, ask yourself, what kind of story does it have? When you look around, remember that every rock has its own adventure. The Earth is like a giant storyteller, sharing amazing tales through every stone we see. Keep exploring, stay curious, and maybe you'll discover your own rocky treasure.